to the developments of the coronavirus outbreak. This morning, New York City reported 2 more positive cases of the deadly virus. This comes as New Jersey confirms its first case of the coronavirus. The patient is hospitalized at Hackensack University Medical Center. The Senate is expected to vote on an emergency bill today that dedicates more than $8 billion to fighting the dangerous disease. CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez is in the newsroom with more for us. Hazel?
Chris and Mary, a man in his 40s and a woman in her 80s are the newest coronavirus cases here in the city. Mayor de Blasio says neither patient has traveled or had connection to other local coronavirus patients. Health officials are now trying to track down where they could have been infected. Mayor de Blasio says there are now 4 patients in New York City who tested positive for coronavirus, including a 50-year-old Westchester County man being treated at New York Presbyterian Hospital.
On the 4 people, the ones who were previously tested, the 2 of them are doing better. So in terms of folks coming through this okay, we're seeing, obviously, if people get tested, get care immediately, get isolated, the vast majority of people are going to come through okay.
The mayor says the newest cases in the city are a man in his 40s and a woman in her 80s. Both are hospitalized in an intensive care unit. Neither patient has traveled or been in contact with other locals diagnosed with coronavirus. City disease detectives are tracking down who's been in close contact with both patients, making sure they're isolated and tested immediately.
The bottom line is test the most people possible who are pertinent, stay ahead of the situation, get people immediately isolated who need to be isolated, get them care.
The city is also awaiting the test results of a public school teacher experiencing symptoms after returning from a vacation in Italy. She's now in self-quarantine. All public schools are being deep cleaned twice a week as part of a new prevention protocol. In Westchester County, several schools are closed for cleaning, including all schools in the Mount Vernon and Hastings-on-the-Hudson school districts. This after 2 students and their family in Mount Vernon and a parent in Hastings-on-Hudson are self-quarantined because of possible exposure to coronavirus. Westchester County currently has the most confirmed cases, including 2 families. The county executive is urging residents not to panic.
We may not be able to control what happens to a virus, but we can control that spread of misinformation and fear.
Now, in New Jersey, Governor Murphy says the state's first confirmed case of coronavirus is a man in his 30s. He's been hospitalized at Hackensack University Medical Center since March 3rd. We expect to learn more on his condition at a press conference later this afternoon. For now, we're live in the newsroom. Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.
Hazel, thank you.